Good evening, all. Today, I, Kritika, the Youth Red Cross volunteer of JC Bose University of Science and Technology, welcomes all freshers to K20. Henry Dunant, the founder of Red Cross Society, he established the Red Cross in 1863 in Geneva, Switzerland. Indian Red Cross Society is the part of Red Cross, was established in 1920. It has a network of over 1100 branches throughout India. What is Red Cross? Red Cross is the world's largest humanitarian organization, providing assistance without discrimination as to nationality, race, religion, belief, class, or political opinions. It provides reliefs in times of disasters, emergencies, and promote health and care of vulnerable people and communities. Yeah, YRC provides opportunities for voluntary community service. Volunteers involved in first aid, disaster, health, safety, and medical services. Vision of IRC to provide opportunities to youth, the makers of future, to inculcate healthy living habits and to contribute their values to uplift our society. The mission of YRC is to inspire, encourage community services through training and education and initiate all forms of humanitarian activities at times so that human sufferings can be minimized and even prevented and thus contribute to creating a more congenial climate for peace. The seven fundamental principles of Youth Red Cross are independence, volunteer service, unity, universality, humanity, impartiality, and neutrality. Motto of YRC is to serve. Emblem of Red Cross Society is the Red Cross on a white background.
Objectives of YRC to conduct social and health awareness programs and awareness on the care of their own health and that of others, to encourage the students to extend their humanitarian services to the society, to offer first hand training to all the YRC volunteers, to develop leadership quality among the students, to offer first aid training to all the YRC volunteers, to make volunteerism a vital part of learning and education, to inculcate in the youth of our country to understand and acceptance of civic and human responsibilities. And the last one is promotion of national and international friendship to develop mental and moral capacities of youth.
Our society organizes various activities and events. Let's have a look. So, here we go with our blood donation camp picks, which our society organizes every year. A good amount of participants donate their blood. YRC also organized health checkup camps, which includes hemoglobin, anemia, eye, dental checkup, and many more. Every year, state and national level camps are organized for girls and boys. Here, volunteers are taught about aid and home nursing training, workshop related to disaster management, rescue operations, and how to save themselves and others in calamities. Volunteers are trained through health and hygiene workshop, how to keep themselves healthy and also expect them to convey this to the masses. It also motivates them for blood and organ donation. It provides a golden opportunity to all the YRC volunteers to attend 7 days camp. Even in this pandemic, our club has done a great job by organizing various webinars like blood shortage in India during COVID-19 in collaboration with Blood Connect, webinar on first aid in collaboration with Darshan Bhatia sir, a camping against drug abuse and elect trafficking in collaboration with our prominent speaker Professor MP Singh. YRC also organizes fun events even in this lockdown like painting competition named as Chitrakala, quarantine photography, quiz competition named as nutrition trivia, tree plantation drive and many more.
Why should you join Youth Red Cross? Career benefits. Holding a merit certificate easily get you job in YRC Department of India and some percent relaxation for further studies. Merit certificate help you in getting direct visa of relative countries without any visa interview. Participation in a Red Cross society offers opportunity for youth development while empowering students to build critical leadership skills. Opportunities. gives you opportunity to meet and contact reputed personalities. You get opportunity to explore different places and interact with local people. You get a platform to contribute to society and bring change in life of people and many more. Skills you learn: leadership, public speaking skills, sense of responsibility, organizing ability. Here are our YRC faculty coordinators. YRC Program Coordinator Mr. Sushil Pawar Sir and YRC Program Co-Coordinator Ms. Ayushi Bansal Ma'am. We have YRC Student Coordinators. Our Secretary Neeraj from Mechanical Branch and our Joint Secretaries Diya Mangla from BCA, Avinash from Computer Science and Neeraj from Computer Science. How to join YRC Society? Type the URL in your browser www.yrcjcbust.com. Official website of YRC JC Bose University will open. Just click on the registration link and fill out details. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook from the given links. And you can also call us or WhatsApp us on the numbers provided here.